In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Redaction is the process of permanently removing sensitive information from a document, not just covering it up. That means when we're done, the content you remove can't be copied, searched, or revealed. So accuracy matters, and a careful review is essential. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro and load the PDF you want to work with. Redaction is a pro feature, so make sure you're not in the free reader. It's a good idea to work on a copy of your file so you keep an original for your records, especially if you're dealing with legal, financial, or personal data. Next, open the Redaction tools. Go to the Tools tab and choose Redact. Depending on your layout, you might also find it under All Tools as Redact a PDF. This opens the Redaction panel, which is where you'll mark what to remove and later apply the changes. You'll see options that focus specifically on selecting and finalizing redactions. Click Redact Text and Images. Your cursor becomes a selection tool. Now, mark the content you want to remove. You can drag a box around any text, area, or image to cover it. If you just need to remove a single word, double-click it, and Acrobat will mark that word precisely. For bigger sections, click and drag across the entire block of text you want redacted. Take your time here. Zoom in so your selections are accurate and scroll through the document to find every instance you need to remove. Before applying, you can click on a marked area to adjust its edges if something looks off. When you've marked everything, it's time to make it permanent. In the Redact panel, click Apply. Acrobat will warn you that this action cannot be undone and that the underlying content will be permanently removed. Read that message carefully, confirm to continue, and proceed only when you are sure. Once applied, Acrobat replaces the selected content with a visible redaction mark and securely deletes the data beneath it. You may be prompted to save the document after applying. That ensures your redactions are locked in. That's the entire process. Open your PDF in Acrobat Pro, launch the Redact tool, mark the text or images you want to remove using precise selections, and then apply to finalize. Before clicking Apply, review the entire document, headers, footers, comments, and images, to make sure nothing important is missed. With these steps, you can confidently share a PDF knowing sensitive information has been properly and permanently removed.